Miss Rumi, he likes, there's something in that buggy, he likes mink. Always, always, always. It's mink inside, and I think that's why he's a luxurious dog. He's from Battery Park City. Rumi, come on, dance with mommy. Come here. Why you being shy? Oh, you never met such a forward dog. He's not scared of you. You don't like him because he's not scared of you, huh? He wants to dance. He wants to dance. See, these dancing dogs. He wants to go dance, honey. He said, fuck Rumi. Rumi acting crazy. Hey, Val. Hey, what's up, my girl? Rumi, say hi. Oh, my God, look, she's giving you a five and everything. You give her a five. What's up, sire? How are you, sweetheart?
We're chilling.